Hindi napigilang maging emosyonal ni Vice Ganda nang pumanaw nga ang kanyang alagang aso na si Chip In. Ayon kay Vice, matagal ang kanilang pagsasama at nagbigay ang kanyang alagang aso ng saya sa kanyang buhay. Kaya naman maraming netizen ang nakarelate sa naranasan na ito ni Vice Ganda at ilang mga kasama rin sa industriya ang nagbigay ng kanilang pakikiramay kay Vice. Narito ang naging mensahe ni Vice para kay Chip In. My dearest Chip In, you have been with me for more than 6 years. You were my first fur baby. You were my source of joy when I was so down. You made me look forward to coming home from a very exhausting day. You stayed beside me when I was lonely. You listened to me when I was upset. You kissed me when I was crying. When you were sick, I asked you to fight because I was not ready to lose you. I was too weak. It would break me. And you made sure to survive. We were so happy. I knew you fought hard enough to stay with me, but today I guess it's really time to say goodbye and let you run and play in heaven. I'm so sad. Been crying since morning. I didn't know that losing a fur baby would hurt this much. I realized you were not just a dog. You were my baby, my family, my true friend. You gave me so much love and I loved you with all my heart. I thank God for you, Mommy Vice. Nagbigay ng kanilang pakikiramay sina Jay Gonzaga, Gary Valenciano, Bella Padilla, Ako si Lassie, Francis Libiran, pati na rin si Tim Yap, Ogel Casid, Chinita Princess or Kim Chu, Wilbert Ross, Liz Uy, Pokwang, Billy Crawford at marami pang iba. Ayon sa mga fans, nakaka-relate sila sa nararamdaman ni Vice Ganda, lalo na sa mga artista at pati na rin sa mga netizen na may alagang aso na naging kaibigan nga nila at kasama araw-araw. Kaya naman maraming mga fans din ang nagsasabing nakikiramay sila kay Vice Ganda.